Managing procurement, expenses, and financial operations efficiently is crucial for businesses aiming to optimize spending, increase visibility, and improve compliance. Many organizations struggle with manual processes, disconnected systems, and lack of real-time insights, leading to inefficiencies and cost overruns. This is where Coupa software steps in as a comprehensive cloud-based spend management platform that helps businesses take full control of their procurement, invoicing, and expense management processes. Coupa is designed to simplify and automate purchasing workflows, ensuring that businesses can manage their expenses more effectively while maintaining compliance with company policies. Unlike traditional procurement software that can be rigid and complex, Coupa offers a user-friendly interface, powerful analytics, and AI-driven insights to optimize spending decisions in real time. This video will walk you through the key features, benefits, and why Coupa is an excellent choice for organizations looking to enhance their financial operations. So for its key features and benefits, first is the smart procurement and purchasing automation. Coupa simplifies the procurement process by allowing users to create and approve purchase orders seamlessly. With automated approval workflows and real-time budget tracking, businesses can ensure they are making informed and cost-effective purchases while reducing unnecessary spending. Increased efficiency in procurement processes, leading to faster approvals, better supplier negotiations, and improved cost control. Another key feature is the expense management and policy compliance. With Coupa, businesses can automate expense reporting and ensure compliance with company policies. Employees can submit expense claims easily through mobile apps, and the system uses AI-powered fraud detection to flag suspicious transactions. This reduces errors and fraud while ensuring faster reimbursements and improved financial transparency. Another key feature is the AI-driven spend analytics and insights. Coupa provides real-time data analytics and reporting tools to help organizations gain visibility into spending trends and supplier performance. AI-driven insights help businesses identify cost-saving opportunities and prevent unnecessary expenditures. Businesses can optimize spending decisions and improve financial planning with actionable insights. Another key feature is the supplier and contract management. Managing suppliers effectively is critical for procurement success. Coupa offers a centralized supplier management system that allows organizations to track supplier performance, manage contracts, and automate supplier onboarding. This strengthens supplier relationships while reducing procurement risks and ensuring contract compliance. Another key feature is the invoice automation and AP optimization. Coupa enables businesses to automate invoice processing, reducing manual work and errors. The system matches invoices with purchase orders and receipts, ensuring that businesses only pay for what they have received. This streamlines the accounts payable process, leading to faster payments, reduced processing costs, and fewer disputes. Another key feature is the AI powered risk and compliance monitoring. Ensuring compliance with financial regulations and internal policies is simplified with Coupa's AI-powered risk management tools. The platform continuously monitors transactions for anomalies and potential compliance violations, reducing financial risks. This helps businesses stay compliant, reduce fraud, and avoid financial penalties. Another key feature is the seamless integration with ERP and financial systems. Coupa integrates with popular ERP and financial systems such as SAP, Oracle, NetSuite, and Microsoft Dynamics, ensuring smooth data flow across business functions. This eliminates data silos and enhances operational efficiency by connecting procurement, finance, and expense management. So, why is Coupa a great choice? Coupa is a leading spend management platform because it offers a holistic approach to procurement, invoicing, and expense management. One of its greatest strengths is its AI powered insights and automation capabilities, which help businesses reduce costs, improve compliance, and increase efficiency across financial operations. Unlike traditional procurement software that can be difficult to use, Coupa is designed with a user friendly interface and intuitive workflows, making it accessible for finance teams, procurement managers, and employees alike. The platform also offers real time visibility into spending, enabling businesses to make data driven decisions that optimize their budgets and supplier relationships. So basically, Coupa software is a powerful and intelligent spend management platform that helps businesses streamline procurement, optimize expense management, and improve financial efficiency. With its AI driven insights, automation tools, and real time analytics, organizations can gain greater control over spending and supplier relationships, ensuring long term financial stability. So, for organizations seeking a flexible, data driven, and efficient solution to manage their financial operations, Coupa is an excellent investment that delivers improved cost control, compliance, and operational excellence. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.